Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video over here, I'm going to talk about GoPro Hero 4 Silver, whether it's any good in 2021, some of the footage that I recently shot. Now, this thing records 1080p 60 frame per second, and what I had done, I clipped it right here along the zipper line. So in the footage that I'm going to show you, it kind of clicked right left and produced a little bit of noise. So I do apologize for that clicking noise. If I clipped it somewhere else, that would be eliminated. So keep that in mind. Now, what I also had done, I will let you see the footage, and at the end we will put down in the comment what you like. But as you can see, let you watch the footage, and then you can tell me would you use it or not. I'm curious to get your opinion. I'm not sure if there is any stabilization assist on this thing, so I'm curious to get your opinion. You guys can see that, and let's now show you the footage. Okay, another stop. Now I ordered the proper mount for the GoPro, so that will get there next week. But let's see, I don't expect much from this footage here. Okay. Oh boy, this is nice. As you can see, it's pretty windy, but let's give it a try. Now this is the nice part. Speaking about the bikes, you do have a bike lane that goes up to the first traffic light. So let's see. It's much nicer to ride on this stretch over here, but unfortunately it doesn't last too long. Okay, let's get it going. go. Okay, as you guys can see, somewhat shaky. Hero 4 was released in 2014-15, so we're already quite a few years behind. And I hope you found that useful. If you found it useful, like, subscribe, and take care. Bye-bye.